decided to kick off a video with lipstick in your teeth. Hey, it's Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today, I received my box by FASHIONSTA in the mail, and one of the things I've noticed about the subscription babies, because I started a little bit later, is it takes a while for it to get here. It's almost end of October. My mind's already on November. Actually, it's on Halloween, then November. And my Slay Glam box also hasn't arrived yet, and we won't talk about it because DHL always coming through. You have IPSY, you know that it can take a while. I'm a little annoyed about that, but it's okay. One unboxing at a time. This is the first time I am featuring the box here on my channel. I did receive September's. I received it in October, and I was on the fence about it, and I just decided to forego that because I had a lot of other ideas planned out. Let's welcome the box by FASHIONSTA on my channel. I'm very excited because it is $20 a month and each box retails for over $100, and I think you're supposed to get 5 full-size items, so very comparable to BOXYCHARM and IPSY, actually cheaper, about $5 cheaper than both of them because BOXYCHARM is raising the price from $21 to $25 and IPSY Glam Bag Plus is $25. Definitely a good competitor. I wanted to compare this box to Slay Glam since Slay Glam is also new, so I figured that would be a little bit more comparable just because BOXYCHARM and IPSY have been around for a while, and then I did BIJOU versus Tribe, so I thought with these two that would have been a good match. If you're interested in seeing what I received in my October 2019 The Box by FASHIONSTA, definitely keep on watching. Before we jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel before clicking off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. I don't know why I started doing this for eyeshadow palette reviews. In case you're wondering, I have the Violet VOSS Essentials palette on my eyes, and then I topped off my lips with the TARTEIST liquid lipstick in the shade KILLIN, and it's a little bit patchy and it breaks my heart, but I did notice when I did apply it that it was a little bit drier, so I just think this one's getting old. I've had it for a while. Alright, let's get unboxing. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. It says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. I want to personally welcome you to the Box by FASHIONSTA Glam Fam, a consciously curated collection of classic brands and the unveiling of new and emerging brands, boxed and delivered to your door each month. And we have our card. It gives us a breakdown of the products, a little description about them with the prices. Use code TREAT20 to save 20% off your next order, and then just a list of brands that they carry. What is nice about this card, it already tells me my total value of my box, and it's $157.50. That is insane for just paying $20. And it says, with every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. Oh wow, that's awesome. 1736 Family Crisis Center is a non-profit organization based in LA with a mission to help people through crises, including domestic violence and human trafficking. We are happy to announce this partnership and support a cause you love, as well offering amazing products you love to use. $20 well spent. Then we have our little tissue paper with a sticker. I'm gonna be savage. And we got confetti! Looks like we got confetti in our cap. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect in this month's box, as I'm disrespecting my surroundings, because from September's box it was very skincare heavy, so I wasn't sure if I was going to be receiving products to do a try on. Now I know for November, so maybe not do a full face, we will have some products to test out. First product, we have the TAMI Hibiscus Infused Vitamin C Serum, and this retails for $45. I haven't tried the brand TAMI. It's just a brand that hasn't really interested me in trying. I have the skincare brands that I already know and love. In order for me to test a new skincare brand, I will just have to browse Sephora. Yeah, that's where I get most of my skincare. I was about to say Ulta as well, but if I'm being realistic, Sephora is where I mainly get my skincare. And any brands that I have seen on their new arrivals, I just make a mental note and to go and test out the products. That's how I discovered Belief, for instance. I don't really know much about this brand. I don't know much about their products, but it must be good if it's $45. I don't know what hibiscus is supposed to do for your skincare routine, but I do know it is delicious in iced tea. I'm also very picky when it comes to my serums as well, so I would hate to try this and not love it and immediately declutter it. So I'd rather just set it aside for one of you guys in a future giveaway. We have our November giveaway, we have our December giveaway. We are slowly there to 1K, which is going to be a massive giveaway. Definitely stay tuned for that. A little bit about this product. Quench dry skin. Okay, I do have good skin, and with it getting cold, I'm even drier than usual. With this serum's water-esque consistency, which instantly absorbs into your skin. Vitamin C takes less than 30 seconds, so you quickly continue with your beauty routine. The unique process behind this weightless vitamin C serum involves hand steeping the hibiscus flower leaves and brewing an antioxidant-rich, refreshing red tea, which creates the baby pink color we adore. With a light, fresh grapefruit scent, you will fall in love with the clean, plant-based, and holistic vitamin C serum for skin that feels radiant the moment it touches your face. Sounds like it has really good skincare benefits. I know a lot of people do enjoy vitamin C in their skincare. Sounds legit. Let me know if you've used the brand TAMI in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts and a little bit more about the brand. Next, we received the Sigma F89 Baked Kabuki brush, and this retails for $25. Your girl loves Sigma with all of her heart. I can't believe I haven't tried the brushes sooner, and a little part of it is because I thought I was really splurging on the brushes. Realistically, Luxie is about the same price. It's just I've accumulated most of my Luxie brushes from subscription boxes. As you guys know, I rave about my beloved 3D HD Max Kabuki brush. I love using F89 to apply loose powder with. It is just a great brush, especially around the nose where I do tend to get a lot of makeup breakup. I love using the 4D HD Kabuki to blend out my concealer on my under eyes, the F87 for the loose powder under there. So I just love Sigma. Here's mine. It's all nice and clean for once. This will be set aside as well for a future giveaway. Next, we have the Everyday for Everybody Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm, and this retails for $15. I don't really use balms. Flake no more. You have my attention. It says Club BFF is your ride or dry. Huh, very punny kind of friend. This nifty sidekick is a petroleum-free balm formulated with papaya, antioxidant, rich emollient, sunflower seed oil, and soybean germ extract. Moisturizes your lips and other body bits. Guess you could call a friend with many benefits. I got the driest lips, the chappedest lips, the crackliest lips. So I actually do kind of want to try this, and I hope it will work out nice with my Buddy Scrub lip scrub that I received in my BIJOU beauty box. That has actually been really helping me exfoliate my lips, so maybe to go over on with the balm afterwards. I don't really use balms, but then again, my Blistex and Burt's Bees really aren't working it for me these days, so maybe it's time to try something new. Next, we received the Galactic Long Lasting Matte Lip Paint Liquid Lipstick Duo, and this retails for $26. I have only tried Galactic through subscription boxes. So these colors look really pretty. Let's do a swatch. I might regret this. Okay, that's pretty though. I like it. It's very opaque. I wonder how it feels on the lips. I feel like it'll be comfortable. Oh, I like that shade even more. So we have the shade Posh and Allure. I feel that I have tried Galactic lipstick formulas before. I just don't know if I still have those products, but I'm excited to see this brand again. I was actually organizing my blush, highlight, bronzer drawer, and I found a Galactic duo, so ironic we received a product by them. Next, we have the Double Dare Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser, and this retails for $25. I am intrigued because most oil cleansers don't lather up really good. Do I dare try? Any day now. Oh! Oh, it is lathering up. Okay, a lot of oil cleansers don't do that. Obviously, that's without water, so that's very interesting that it does. All right, hopefully you guys can see that. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, what does that smell like? There's a scent, I'm thinking of it. It smells very floral-y. And I hope that scent does not irritate when you cleanse, because I know some people can have sensitivity to fragrances in their skincare. Catherine, I am looking at you. Fragrance usually doesn't bother me, and if fragrance does irritate me, I end up turning red like Bob the Tomato from VeggieTales. Hope that this does not irritate my skin. I'm very intrigued that it lathers up very nice. That's the one thing about oil cleansers that I don't like, but I know it is breaking down my makeup, is it doesn't lather up that well. I can never tell if it's actually doing anything, even though I am a raccoon when I am removing my eye makeup and everything's just a mess. But I like the reassurance of foam, and I think that's why I really like my Pharmacy Clean Bee or my Purity from Philosophy or my Glam Glow, because they lather lather up, and I feel like it's getting in my pores, getting it all nice and clean, even though I got some texture and some breakouts going on. And then the last product we have by the brand Rude. It's the Leopardina 12 eyeshadow 4 highlighter palette, and this retails for $21.50. Essentially, you pay for this and you get everything else for free, which is not a bad deal. Okay, I like this. I'm a little scared of an orange highlighter, and I love how it says makeup with an attitude on here. I haven't heard of this brand. I am curious to swatch. Ooh, those are stunning. The mattes were creamy, the shimmers were creamy. The only complaint I have is they don't have their names, and there are no names on the back either, which is awesome. Ooh, look how they swatch. Pigment throughout the entire swatch. There's nothing on my arm. I literally had to roll up my sleeve for this, and that was just with one swipe. Next 4 shades. Sorry for the swatches being so close together. I know it makes it really hard to see. And the last 4. Not bad of a palette. The color story isn't my favorite, but I think for the average consumer or subscription box receiver would probably enjoy a palette like this because it caters to very neutral looks, but you could also add a fun pop of color like this more magenta shade or the yellow. Let's also swatch the highlighters. This is what I'm most excited about. These are stunning. Oh yeah, I am happy with this palette just for the highlighting shades. And the orange one's definitely more peach than orange. But these 3 that are really popping, I'm so excited for. Those highlighting shades are right up my alley. So, for this box, that's not bad. That's actually a really decent box. I am very happy with all the products I received. I think it was also well balanced. I essentially received half skincare and half makeup. I'm really excited to see a brand like Sigma in the subscription box, and these 2 items will be set aside for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy them. They are high value items. I'm excited to give part of my box back to you guys. I'm really excited for this palette, mainly for the highlighters, but I do want to see how this palette treats me for looks. It has a nice fall vibe to it. I'm very excited for this cleanser. I definitely am going to try it tonight, breaking down this full face, so I'll definitely have to keep you guys posted in a favorites, skincare review video, something. Really excited to see Galactic make an appearance again. I haven't used this brand in a hot minute, so I'm very excited. These shades were pretty. Hope they work out for me, but I have some lip liners in case if they are too light for me. And then I have high hopes for this balm. At first I was kind of like about it, but when I read about it and it checks off the boxes for a lot of lip concerns for me, I really hope that it does help because nothing else seems to be helping me. Would love to know what you guys think of this box. Do you guys get the box by FASHIONSTA? I'm thoroughly impressed by the products, the brands, the value, the whole 9 yards. Do they have any variations? I am not sure. This is my second box, and if you got any of these products, which ones were your favorites? What worked out for you? What didn't work out for you? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.